as we partake of our own last before assuming the supremacy, possibly a last meal.
Since the beginning was there.
A witch seeking safety.
Somebody's looking to kill me. You bitch.
Girl, stop these vulgar fisticuffs at once. It's beneath us. Cordelia?
I'm good.
This is awesome! No, it's not. Stop!
I don't want to waste my magic on you. I can do you with my hands.
'Tis the season. Fa la 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 la. Pick this shit up. You know what? Y'all probably don't even need a bitch like me. Because when I get in the mix, see, y'all don't even really want me on the show. If y'all really want to talk about it, ain't now one of y'all want me on the show. Because if this was one of the shows where I could be voted off at, y'all would vote me off at.
Let me talk to you.
No, go away.
Hey, bitch. What's up, bitch? Suck my dick, bitch. Let me talk to you.
Go away.
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you.
Well, I just wanted to pop up here and show y'all how I'm doing. I'm doing great. I'm looking great. I'm feeling great, you know. I'm over here very booked and busy while you bitches over here are still looking raggedy and not doing shit. Wow. But anyway, I just want to let y'all know I'm not going anywhere. So talk your shit, you shitholes.
Who's this?
Hey, I'm Misty.
Who?
Open the fuck up!
Told you how I feel. Take your stuff and leave.
All I want is to protect you. I know you don't believe it.
I've spoken to a lawyer. I'm filing for divorce.
Oh, it's bullshit!
Why don't you go back to your own house and stop bothering us?
You can't do it. I can't. You are stressing me to hell. I can't. I'm done.
Hey.
Hey, hi, honey. Hi, how are you?
It's amazing, but wait, can you talk for a sec?
I didn't know you were calling, but...
Can you hear me?
Me?
Can you hear me now?
What?
I just have anxiety.
Get off my phone. Get off my...
Lesbians. Lesbians.
Come on, guys, get out of here.
Where are they?
Lesbians.
Where are they? Excuse me, I have an announcement to make. We seem to be missing a...
More representation for lesbians.
And we will not be leaving the premises until we obtain them. Hand over the...
Lesbians.
Now!
Hate lesbians.
Bitches. Fucking bitches. Both of them.
See, I'm telling you, I have the mind of a I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but you know, I'm so creative like that.
Am I going to starve if I don't take a bath? Am I going to die if I don't take a bath? It's not a necessity like food and water. Basically, you're just wasting your own water bill for no reason because you want to fit in. And I don't understand it because people don't know if you shower or not.